Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the machine. Make sure Windows 10 or 11 is active and GPU drivers are updated so animations run smoothly. Once done, free about 500 MB of disk space and close power-hungry apps to test performance. Next, download a reputable live wallpaper application installer. This is the core tool that transforms videos or widgets into desktop backgrounds. Make sure you choose a version compatible with your GPU, and note any optional components the installer offers before you install. You now run the installer as administrator and follow prompts. Accept the recommended components so the app can manage rendering and updates. After installation, import your chosen asset, video, GIF, or HTML canvas, and position it on the monitor you want. Then configure resolution, frame rate, and performance profile. Lower FPS or resolution on laptops to save battery. Increase for desktops to improve smoothness. Once configured, preview the wallpaper and make small tweaks to balance visuals and system load. You finish by enabling auto start if you want the live wallpaper active on boot, and pin the app to quick launch for fast access. Make sure multi-monitor mappings are correct and test wake from sleep behavior. If the wallpaper stutters or crashes, check the app's performance overlay to identify CPU or GPU spikes. Lower settings accordingly. If problems persist, revert to a static wallpaper, reinstall the app, and update GPU drivers. This sequence resolves most compatibility and stability issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.